Monday the 16th of February, 8:45. We're just coming to lift my boat. We're going to be splashed today around about 1 o'clock when it's high water. But they're just going to come and lift it now so that I can get the parts painted that I couldn't while it was still fastened down to the docks. All excited and a little bit apprehensive. Faro! Over this guy here, he's going to get us out through the shallow water. Look guys, this is just relaxing now. The wind's dropped, the waves have dropped. It's a beautiful sunset. Just watching the crowd lift their anchor. Looks like they're on their way, leaving Colatra. I believe they're heading through into Gibraltar. Episode, kind of try and get everything ready now to head off into Spain. We're going to Ayamonte tomorrow, so gotta get the engine off the dinghy, get the dinghy back up. It's the moment. This is so super green. It's just sitting on the bathing platform with just these holding it because it just holds it so much steadier. Doing this before was a nightmare. So it's basically just a case of unscrewing board. Just a case of, yeah. Hope it doesn't fall in the water.
It shouldn't really. But, hey.
What? Alright. Okay. I'm going to just take the weight. Okay. Well, she can't go any further with that because that's the size it goes.
Don't rest on the...
No, that's right.
Don't rest.
It's not actually resting. Right, let down. And keep it going.
Super. That worked easy enough, huh? Was it easy for you too?
Always. That's a good enough position. We've had it before. And tying it back on.
Beautiful sunset. We've just had a last beer in Colatra.
Yeah, maybe, perhaps that wasn't a good idea, but before I left the dinghy, but what the hell. What can go wrong?
We didn't have many.
Right.
Right, here we go.
Now, that's the motor in place, so I'm not worried about that at all. And it's just a case of right, and that's far enough. The rest to do with the straps, pull it in and it's secured. So that's it.